Now, in continuation of our previous session, now I will talk about the process of recruitment, challenges associated with the following steps of recruitment: human resource planning, identifying HR requirements, determine numbers, levels and criticality of the vacancies, choose the resources and the method of recruitment is there. So, in the challenges in the recruitment are the following two sessions takes an in-depth glance at the questions that an HR manager can have at each step of the recruitment process. Each challenge is supplemented with an imaginary situations where such challenges might come up. After the two sessions, we will learn to tackle these issues using the HR analytics. Challenges associated with the human resource planning steps of the recruitment are, that is, the workforce alignment with the strategic goals are there. So, Take Forward Incorporation, a software developing company, has set a strategic goal to become a leader in the emerging field of the artificial intelligence AI within the next 5 years. A thorough analysis of their current workforce reveals a gap in AI expertise and a lack of project managers experienced in leading AI projects. The company anticipates the need to fill these gaps to stay competitive and achieve its strategic objectives. To address this, Take Forward Incorporation plans to recruit AI specialists and experienced project managers while also offering the training programs to existing employees to develop the foundations. A knowledge in the project management skills are required. How does our current workforce align with our strategic goals, and what gaps are we are anticipating in the near to medium term? The impact of the technology or automations are the auto manufacturing and automotive manufacturer recognizes the increasing role of the automation and robotics in production with the introduction of the new robotic assembly lines. There is a projected reduction in the need for the manual labor over the next 5 years. However, there is an anticipated increase in demand for roles such as robotics technicians, engineers and data analysts to manage the maintain and optimize these automated process. So, auto manufacturing is exploring the partnership with the technical colleges and the launching internships to build a pipeline of the skilled workforce in these particular areas. In what areas could the technology or automation impact our staffing needs over the next few years? Now, here we find that enhancing the workforce diversity and inclusion is very important. FinServ, a financial service firm, aims to enhance its workforce diversity and inclusion to reflect the diverse clientele it serves better. The company has identified gaps in the gender and ethnic diversity, particularly in senior management roles. FinServ plans to address these gaps through the targeted recruitment efforts, partnerships with the diverse professional organizations and the establishment of a mentorship program focused on the career advancement for the underrepresented employees. Additionally, unconscious training is being rolled out to employees to foster a more inclusive workplace culture. How can we enhance our workforce diversity and inclusion through strategic planning? The implication of the remote or the hybrid work models will be the creative solutions. A marketing agency has adopted a hybrid work model following the global shift towards remote work. The model has opened up opportunities to recruit talent from a broader the geographic area, leading to a more diverse workforce. However, it has also introduced the challenges in collaboration and maintaining company culture. To address these issues, Creative Solutions is investing in cloud-based collaboration tools and scheduling regular in-person retreats to build the team cohesion. The company also reconsiders its office space requirements and how to best support a blend of the remote and on-its site work. Here we understand what are the implications of remote or the hybrid work models on our future staffing needs. So, reskilling or the upskilling of the employees. So, Green Tech, an energy company that is transitioning from the fossil fuels to renewable energy sources, faces the challenges of the reskilling its workforce to align with the new industry standards and technologies. Recognizing that many employees have valued instructional knowledge but lack experience in the renewables. The Green Tech is launching a comprehensive training program. The program offers courses in solar and wind energy technology, project management for the renewable projects and environment compliance by investing its existing workforce. The green tech aims to retain its employees and smoothly transition into a leading renewable energy provider. How do we plan for the reskilling or upskilling of the current employees to meet the future job requirements? The challenges associated with the identifying the HR requirement steps of the recruitments are there. So, we at the time of this particular the identifying the skills, experience and qualification is required. So, Novatech as a cybersecurity firm is in the process of recruiting for a cybersecurity analyst position. The company specifies that the candidate must have a bachelor's degree in computer science or a related field or at least 3 years of experience in cybersecurity and certifications such as CISP or CISM, and additionally they are looking for individual with a strong understanding of network infrastructure and the ability to analyze and mitigate threats in real time, and Novatech emphasizes the need for the excellent problem solving skills and the ability to work under pressure, reflecting the critical nature of the role in the protecting the companies and the clients' digital assets. Here it emphasizes on the what specific skills, experience and qualifications are required for the open positions. Impact of industry regulations and technology trends. Health data, a healthcare technology company is facing new regulations required enhanced patient data protection and the privacy. To comply, they need to hire data compliance officers familiar with the latest healthcare regulations such as the HIPAA in the US and the GDR for the European patients. These new hires must not only understand the legal landscape, but also adopt at the implementing the technology solutions that ensure compliance. The emergence of the blockchain for the secure patient records further necessitates a blend of the legal, technological and innovative thinking skills in new hires to navigate these evolving requirements. So, here we find it is how do changes in industry, regulations or technology trends impact the requirement for the new hires are there. Emerging roles in the industry situations, the AgriGrow as an agriculture technology startup recognizes the potential of drone technology and AI in revolutionary that is farming practices. The company decides to create a new position, drone operations specialist responsible for the managerial drone fleets that monitor crop health and the irrigation systems. This role requires a unique combination of skills in drone piloting, data analyst and the foundational understanding of the agronomy. By adding this role, AgriGrow aims to stay at the forefront of the agriculture innovations, improving crop yields and the sustainability. Are there new roles emerging the industry that we need to consider adding our organization? So, ensuring inclusivity in the job description situations, the diversity design, the graphic design agency committed to promoting the diversity within the creative industry is looking to the high graphic designers. To attend a diverse pool of the candidates, the company carefully crafts the job descriptions that use the inclusive language, emphasizing their commitment to build a diverse and inclusive team. They avoid unnecessary jargon and specific years of the experience. They might deter capable but self-taught candidates are those from the non-traditional backgrounds. Diversity designs also highlights its flexible working arrangements, family friends policies and encourages the applications from a unprecedented group in the creative sector. How can we ensure that the job descriptions be inclusive and attract a diverse pool of the candidates? So, critical role needing succession planning situations, FinCorp, a financial service corporation, identifies the role of the chief financial officer as critical, with the current CFO set to retire in 2 years. Recognizing the potential disruption this could cause, FinCorp initiates a succession planning process, and they start by identifying internal candidates with the potential to step into the role, offering them the tailored development programs, mentoring and rotational assignments to prepare them for the future leadership. Uh, the concurrently, FinCorp remains open to external candidates who could bring fresh perspective and diversify the leadership team's expertise, ensuring a smooth transition and continuity in strategic financial management. What are the critical roles that need succession planning or immediate attention to avoid the operational disruptions? So, the challenges associated with determined numbers, levels and critically of vacancies step of the recruitment. Critically understanding the departments, that is a web world, a rapidly growing online retail company finds its customer service department critically understaffed, particularly as it enters the peak holiday shopping season, and this shortfall has led to a longer response time, affecting the customer satisfaction and potentially sales. To address this, Web World initiates an emergency hiring plan targeting the customer service representatives with the experience in the high volume, fast paced environments. The company also explores the integration of AI, that is the chatbots to the manage the basic inquiries, allowing human representatives to focus on more complex the customer needs. Which departments or team are critically understaffed, and how does this impact our operations? So, vacancy levels and strategic growth plans. So, Greenbuild, a construction company specializing in sustainable building, has seen a surge in demand for its services to align with its their strategic growth plans. The Green Build identifies need for senior level architects experienced to green technologies and sustainable design practices, seeing these roles as the pivotal for the guiding the future projects. Project managers entry level its supervision, the Green Build prioritize these hires to ensure that it has the leadership and the workforce necessary to meet the project commitments and sustain its growth trajectory. How does the level of the each vacancy, entry level, mid level, senior level align with our strategic growth plans? The immediate hires for the upcoming projects, that is the event sphere, an event management company has recently won the contract to organize a series of the high profile international conferences. The new projects requires immediate hires of the event coordinators, logistics managers and digital marketing specialists to ensure the project success. Recognizing the urgency, Eventsphere launches a targeted recruitment campaign and leverages in industry networks to fill these positions quickly. The company understands that timely hiring is crucial to meeting client expectations and maintaining its reputation in the event management industry. Are any upcoming projects or the expansions that necessitates the immediate hires? So, prioritizing the recruitment for the business continuity, TechSolve, an IT solutions provider, experiences a significant increase in demand for the cybersecurity services. The company recognizes that the cybersecurity team is crucial for the business continuity, especially as digital threats becomes more sophisticated. To provide and prioritize the recruitment, TechSolve conducts a risk assessment to identify the roles within the cyber security that are most critical to operations and the client security. The company then fast tracks the hiring processes for these roles, offering competitive salaries and benefits to attract top talent quickly and ensure that clients' needs and security requirements are met without disruptions. How do we prioritize recruitment based on the criticality of roles and their impact on the business continuity? Now, the strategy for building the talent pipelines, for Pharma Innovate, a pharmaceutical research company, faces challenges in this hiring specialized research scientists due to a competitive job market and specific skill requirements. To build a talent pipeline for these hard to fill roles, farmers that is here the Pharma Innovate the partners with leading universities offering scholarships, internships and the collaborate research projects to students and the postdocs in relevant fields. These two long term strategy not only provides the Pharma Innovate with the easy access to emerging the talent, but also allows candidates to become the familiar with the company's culture and the projects, which facilitates smoother transition into the full time roles upon the graduation. What is our strategy for building the talent pipeline for hard to fill or the critical roles are there? So, challenges associated with the start implementing the recruitment program step of recruitment, the balancing the internal promotions and external hiring. So, InnovaTech, a technology startup and is experiencing rapid growth and needs to expand its team, recognizing the importance of the maintaining the employees moral while the injecting the fresh ideas into the team. The company decides to implement a policy where 60% of leadership roles are filled through the internal promotion and 40% through the external hires. The strategy aims to reward and they motivate the current employees by providing clear pathway for the career advancement while also bringing in external talent with the new perspectives and the skills that are not available internally. To support this, InnovaTech invests in leadership development programs and encourages cross-departmental project collaborations to prepare the internal candidates for the future roles are concerned. What balance should we strike between the internal promotions and external hiring to maintain the moral and bring in the fresh perspective? Now, the leveraging social media, job boards and the professional networks. So, Design Sphere, a digital design agency, aims to attract top talent by optimizing in recruitment strategy across different platforms. For creative roles, it focuses on showcasing its culture and portfolio on Instagram and the Behance, the attracting candidates who value creativity and innovation. LinkedIn is used for the sourcing experience and the project managers and the business development roles. They emphasizing the agency's growth and the client success stories. Additionally, Design Sphere posts openings on the niche job boards popular with the design community to target the candidates with the specific skill sets and ensuring a wider yet focused reach is there. How can we leverage the social media, job boards and professional networks effectively for the different roles are concerned? Here the enhancing the employee referral programs. The Safeguard, a security service firm, recognizes that it has best hires often come through employees referrals. To make its referral program more effective, Safeguard decides to increase the incentives for the successful hires and introduces a tied reward system and based on the levels of the position filled. Furthermore, the company starts hosting regular internal events where the employees can invite the friends who are interested in careers in security, allowing potential candidates to experience the company's culture firsthand. The approach is not only that is incentivizing the employees to refer the qualified candidates, but also fosters a sense of involvement and pride in helping shape the company's future. What role do employees referrals play in our recruitment strategy and how can we make the program more effective? So, with the help of this case study, we understand that that employee referrals they are making a very supportive and it depends again on the organizations the interest references that is what they are expecting and therefore, when they find that is the many organizations that employee referral that source of hiring that becomes the more successful as compared to taking the unknown employee is concerned. So, utilizing the artificial intelligence and recruitment technology is concerned. So, therefore, HealthLink, a healthcare provider faces challenges in managing the volume of applications for nursing and administrative positions. To streamline its recruitment process, HealthLink is implemented an AI driven applicants tracking system that automates resume screening based on the predefined the criteria and identifies top candidates for the future further assessments. The company also integrates a video interviewing software that uses AI to analyze candidates' responses and the non-verbal cues, helping to shortlist candidates more efficiently. These technologies enable HealthLink to reduce the time to hire and ensure that human recruiters spend their time engaging with the most promising candidates are there. How can we utilize AI or recruitment technologies? This is the case study which help us to streamline the recruitment process. So, forming the partnership with the educational institutions and the professional associations. I would like to take this case study of the Eco Constructs, a sustainable construction company struggles to find qualified engineers familiar with the green building practices. To address this, EcoConstructs forms partnerships with universities offering programs in sustainable design and engineering, providing guest lectures, internships and collaborative research opportunities. The company also becomes actively involved with, professional associations in the green building sector, sponsoring events and the workshops. These partnerships help EcoConstruct to source talent directly from educational institutions and professional networks, ensuring a steady pipeline of candidates who are not only skilled, but also passionate about the sustainability. What partnership with educational institutions or professional associations can be formed to source talent? And therefore, we can see with the help of these case studies the many questions which has been raised for the recruitment of the employees, potential employees for the organization that can be solved. Thank you.